Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset for your earbuds EARFUN Air 2. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case, but do not close the case. Open the lid. Now at the bottom, near to the USB-C port, we have connectional button. You need to press and hold this connectional button until the LED light on your earbuds start flash purple. So press and hold, so it's something like 8 seconds. Here we go. Now you can release your finger, and then we need to reconnect them. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget this device and forget device. After that, click pair new device at the top if you have this button, because not all Android phones have it. And maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back on and return to the Bluetooth, but right now, oh, it worked already, they fixed it. Okay, so then tap at your earbuds at the device list, and we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!